It could be recalled that the Nigerian Meteorological Agency NiMET forecasted that some states of the country, of which Yobe is inclusive, would possibly experience flooding this rainy season. According to the forecast, 8 local government areas in Yobe are predicted to witness the flooding. Against this, the National Emergency Management Agency NEMA, Northeast Office Maiduguri, in collaboration with Yobe State Emergency Management Agency SEMA, organized this sensitization workshop on effective waste management and flood mitigation in Yobe State. Speaking at the opening session, the Director General NEMA, Hajiya Zubaida Umar, represented by the Deputy Director Finance and Accounts Aminu Ɓoyi Ringim, says the warning by NiMET and others empowered NEMA to take proactive measures, part of which is organizing the sensitization workshop. She says the workshop would sensitize government and people of the state to be vigilant and prepared to take measures, calling on all to work harder towards ensuring proper waste management.
This initiative aims to empower you with early actionable steps to safeguard lives and livelihoods during the rainy season, especially for those most vulnerable in flooding. As we all know, floods caused immense devastation in recent years, particularly in 2012 and 2022. These events serve as a stark reminder of the importance of collaboration between all government levels and NEMA to manage disaster risks and hazards.
According to her, effective communication is necessary to deliver early warning and mitigate the risk of flooding, and thus the significance of the workshop cannot be overemphasized. She commends Governor Maimala Buni-led administration for taking proactive measures to protect the communities from the dangers of flood. Earlier in their separate remarks, the Executive Secretary, Yobe State Emergency Management Agency, SEMA, Dr. Muhammad Goje, represented by the Director of Rescue, Dr. Muhammad Ibrahim Jallo, and the General Manager, Yobe State Environmental Protection Agency, Sanitarian Baba Ganamadu, described the workshop as a welcome development, highlighting the commitment of the state government to address the issue.
The state government is actually on the front line. One, we actually review our lessons that we learned in 2022. You may agree with me what happened in 2022, overstretched our response and tested our capacity. So we learned a lot of lessons, like to share a few. As at August 2022, the number of cases was only 15,000 households. But by November 31st, it's getting to over 35,000 households. This primarily not due to the flood, but overspill of dams. So among our stakeholders that we review periodically, we actually identify director dams and reservoir water resources to keep on monitoring those dams and give us at least 2 weeks early warning.
If you can see major towns, all of the drainages were evacuated over the week and we're still doing it. And also our west doors were also evacuated. So this is part of preparing when the drainages are blocked, so there's no waterway. So that's why we use our SEMA to see that all the drainages were evacuated.
The workshop features presentations on overview of flood situation in Yobe State, seasonal flood prediction and annual outlook, effective waste management as a key to flood prevention, and public health in the context of flood mitigation in Yobe State, among others. For YTV News, Abdulaziz Muhammad Shehu reporting.